Morning. How are you all? Fine. Very good. Today we are going to start with the next lesson from our English textbook. That is Unit 4. We are going to start. Lesson number 1, an action song. Okay. We have already done the action words in grammar. So all of you know what are action words and what is action. So action is an act. Anything which you do is an action. A thing done or a deed, like I am talking now. So what action I'm doing? I'm doing the action of talking. You are listening to this. So what action are you doing? You're listening. Okay. So today we are going to sing a action song. You have to listen, sing and act. Okay. So listen very carefully. First you listen, understand, and then we will sing the song with actions. Okay. So first I will sing it for you. Touch your head and touch your toes. Shut your eyes and pull your nose. Clap your hands and turn around. Jump up high and sit on the ground. Okay. So this is the way you are going to sing it. Okay. Now all of you know where your head is. Okay. Show me your head. Yes. Now when you say touch your head, that time you have to touch your head. And do you know where your toes are? Yes. Okay. So you have to touch your toes. When I say and touch your toes, you have to touch your toes. Then the next line is shut your eyes. Show me your eyes. Yes. Shut your eyes means what? You have to close your eyes. And you have to close your eyes and then pull your nose. Pull your nose. Where is your nose? Yes. Just hold it and pull it outside. Like this. Okay. Very good. Then what you will do? Then you have to clap your hands. Okay, you know how to clap, no? Yes, very good. And then you have to turn around. Okay, but I forgot to tell you that you have to stand up first. Okay, that I will tell you when we actually do the actions. Okay, then you have to clap your hands and then you have to turn around. After you turn around, you have to jump up high and then sit down on the ground. Okay, understood? So, all are ready? Shall we start with the action song? Yes. So what will you have to do first? First you will have to stand up. Okay. Chalo then stand up. Yes. All ready? Chalo start. You have to repeat after me, huh? And you have to do actions. And I'm watching you through this video. मैं आप सबको देख रही हूँ आप एक्शंस कर रहे हो कि नहीं मैं देख रही हूँ ओके चलो स्टैंड अप वेरी गुड टच योर हेड एंड टच योर टोज shut your eyes and pull your nose. Clap your hands and turn around. Jump up high and sit on the ground. Done. Very good. Very nicely you all did the actions. We'll do it once more, a bit faster. Yes? Chalo, once more. Touch your head and touch your toes. Shut your eyes and pull your nose. Clap your hands and turn around. Jump up high and sit on the ground. Very good. Clap your hands. Very nicely you all did the actions. Very good. Clap for yourselves. Okay, now you can come back and sit for the lesson. You want to drink water? You can drink water. Okay, very good. Let's start. Okay, today what we are going to learn are the rhyming words. You know what are the rhyming words. Already you know what are the rhyming words. Just I am going to explain it to you. Okay. So what are rhyming words? Words with the same or similar ending sound. Okay. Same or similar ending sound. मतलब वर्ड के एंड में, अगर दो वर्ड के एंड में सेम साउंड, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द लेटर्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द साउंड, हम साउंड की बात कर रहे हैं, हम लेटर्स की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। वर्ड्स एंडिंग विथ same or similar endings with the same or similar sound are called as the rhyming words. Okay. Do you use these rhyming words in your day to day life? आप यूज करते हैं rhyming words? Think, 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 think. सोचो, कुछ याद आया? Did you remember anything? Okay. If I want to give you an example, I will give it in Hindi. Like in day to day life, रोज हम लोग जब बातें करते हैं तो हम लोग जैसे भी करते हैं, हम बातें बातें तो नहीं करते, है ना? सो बातें इज अ प्रॉपर वर्ड, बट व्हाट इज बातें? इट्स जस्ट अ राइमिंग वर्ड, इट डजंट हैव एनी मीनिंग। ओके, सो दैट इज द राइमिंग वर्ड। जब हम बोलते हैं फ्रेंड्स वेंट्स, so friends is the actual word. Friends is just a meaningless word, but it is just a rhyming word. ठीक है, आपको समझ में आया? There are many things like हमें खाना वाना नहीं खाना. Okay, खाना वाना. So what is वाना? Nothing. This is how you are using rhyming words in your day-to-day life. Understood what are rhyming words? Okay. चलो let's have a look at the rhyming words which you already know. आपको ये words आते हैं. Look at the ending sounds of this word. What are the words? First we'll read out the words. Bat, cat, rat, mat, sat. है ना? Last में at. The sound which we hear at the end of each word, bat, cat, rat, mat, sat, is at. So that is why these are the rhyming words. सब words में at एंड में साउंड है, इसीलिए इसको राइमिंग वर्ड्स बोलते हैं। लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट अनदर एग्जांपल। या रीड आउट दिस वर्ड। कैप, टैप, लैप, गैप, नैप। So in each and every word, the ending words have app as the sound. The ending sound is app. So that is the reason these are the rhyming words. समझ में आया? एंड में एप साउंड आता है हर एक वर्ड में, इसीलिए वो राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं। बट cat is not rhyming with cap. Why? Because the ending sound in cat is at and ending sound in cap is app. Okay, different sounds are there. That is the reason these two are not rhyming. Cat and cap are not rhyming, but bat, cat, rat, mat, sat is rhyming, and cap, tap, lap, gap, nap is rhyming. Similarly, one more example I will give. Read these words: can, ban, ran, tan, man. है ना? So all have an as the ending sound. एंड में जब हम वर्ड्स बोलते हैं तो सब वर्ड्स में एन ऐसा एंडिंग साउंड आता है. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई these are the rhyming words. Okay, I hope it is understood by all of you. I'll give you one more example. This is your favorite nursery rhyme. This is the first nursery rhyme which most of you learn. Okay. Will you recite with me? आप recite करेंगे मेरे साथ में? Okay. Rhyming words, why I have taken this example? Because rhyming words हम poems में भी use करते हैं. ठीक है, कोई भी गाना होता है, पोएम होता है, अगर उसमें राइमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं तो वो सुनने में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. इट इज मेलोडियस टू आवर ईयर्स. मेलोडियस मीन्स यू लाइक टू हियर दोज पोएम्स और songs which have rhyming words. Okay, mostly rhyming words होते ही हैं. Any song or poem you see, there are rhyming words in them. Okay, चलो let's recite this nursery rhyme. Hmm? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, So there are rhyming words in this poem also. Can you find them out? Okay, I will show it to you. Look here. Can you see those two words in red color? Read out star R. Okay. So just listen to the ending sound in star. It is R. Huh? And R. R is also R. That is the reason both of them are rhyming words. Okay. Star and R are rhyming words. Okay. Even though the spelling at the end, मतलब लेटर्स एंड वाले जो लेटर्स है वो अलग है, फिर भी साउंड सेम आ रहा है. जैसे स्टार, आर, है ना. So r, r, that is the reason these are the rhyming words. Understood? Let's take a look at the next rhyming words. Can you see those in blue color? High, sky. Again, there is similarity in the sound. Similarity in the sound. It may be similar or it may be same. High sky, है ना. सेम भी हो सकता है, जैसे स्टार आर में सेम है, बट हाई स्काई में इट इज सिमिलर, इट इज नॉट सेम, but still it is matching, the sounds are matching. That is the reason why high sky is also rhyming words. They both are rhyming words. Okay, understood? Okay, so now let's take a look at a few more rhyming words. Turn, burn. Okay, these are from your textbook itself. Turn, burn. Okay, you will repeat them with me. Turn, burn. Okay, there not only turn and burn, there may be a few more rhyming words which you can add. Okay, think of some other rhyming words which will be like what we did, cat, bat, mat, sat, so many rhyming words. Okay, same way you can think of words turn, burn. Okay, anything else if you can remember, you can write those also. Hmm. Understood? But these are given in your textbook, so we will concentrate on turn these words only at present. But if you want to improve your vocabulary, आपको जो words आपको मालूम है वो improve करना है, ज़्यादा बढ़ाने हैं, तो आप ये exercise कर सकते हैं. Okay, चलो, let's take a look at the next word. Next rhyming words: nose, toes. Nose, toes. Okay, these are the rhyming words from your poem only. Turn around is there, so the rhyming word for turn is burn. Nose is toes, both of them are there in your action song. So are you repeating after me? Yes. Next, shut, cut. Shut, cut. Okay, once more. Sorry. Turn, burn. Nose, toes. You are supposed to repeat after me. मेरे बाद में आपको बोलना है. Shut, cut. Okay. Next. Sit, kit. Say it once more. Sit, kit. Hand, band. Hand, band. Ground, round. Ground, round. Repeat the whole thing once more. Sit, kit. Hand, band. Ground, round. Next. Jump, pump. Jump, pump. Pull, full. Pull, full. Head, thread. Head, thread. Okay. Once more. Jump, pump. Pull, full. Head, thread. Okay, these rhyming words are already given in your textbook. What you have to do? You have to learn these rhyming words. You have to write it down in your English notebook. Okay, this lesson is going to be there in your assessment test, periodical assessment test. I'm going to ask rhyming words. So see to it that you know the spellings, you know the rhyming words properly. Okay, copy it down in your notebook so that you can practice it. Okay, so that's all for today. And as I told you, you can do the exercises or activities which will improve your vocabulary. Okay, like you can find more rhyming words. Okay, for example, here hand, band, sand. Okay, mm, ground, round, sound. Okay, whatever I'm able to recollect right now, that I'm telling you. Shut, cut, nut. Okay, nose, toes, goes, turn, burn, earn. Okay, so all these are rhyming words. A few more words you can add as and when you remember. Right now you only read this much, but this will be helpful in your further classes also. Okay, once more we will just revise. Turn, burn, nose, toes, shut, cut, sit, kit, hand, bend, ground, round, jump, pump, pull, full, head, thread. That's all. So don't forget to copy the rhyming words in your English notebook and see you soon. Bye.